Welcome to the Schmiedmann channel for another great product video. I'm happy to introduce a revolutionary car care product for you guys today here at the Schmiedmann channel. Here it is, AUTOSOL Metal Polish. World-leading product for metal care and restoration on your car, your boat, your motorbike, or even around the house. We at Schmiedmann now offer AUTOSOL Metal Polish and any other AUTOSOL surface care product at the world's lowest prices on Schmiedmann.com. Before we move on to how this magnificent metal polish from AUTOSOL works, let's talk a little about AUTOSOL. Some of you, due to their world-leading position in metal care, might know AUTOSOL and know that they are not just another new player in the market with a magic formula for metal care. AUTOSOL was founded in Germany in 1929 and ever since stood for innovation, professional high quality, and a dedication to a brilliant shine of metal surfaces. So if I may, the original magic solution for your metal surfaces from AUTOSOL. This right here is the 750 milliliters can of metal polish from AUTOSOL. Metal polish from AUTOSOL is available in a range of sizes starting at the 75 milliliters tube and going all the way up past this 750 milliliter one up to 25 kilos for industrial use. Let's see how this metal polish works on a tailpipe of a motorcycle. First of all, make sure the surface that you want to clean is free from dust and sand. Just take a damp cloth and wipe it over. Make sure it is dry. Once it's dry, take a tablespoon or more of metal polish from AUTOSOL onto a microfiber cloth and smear it all over the surface. Start buffing right away and you'll see the chrome in this case really stands out. Really nice, shiny, almost like new. Great results with almost no work. That is what AUTOSOL is all about. It would really mean a lot to me and all of us here at Schmiedmann if you would share this great news from Schmiedmann with a fellow BMW or MINI enthusiast to let them know that Schmiedmann is the place to stay updated and to find everything you need for your BMW and MINI. Don't hesitate to write to me as the marketing manager here on our social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube, or directly in the comments below what kind of content you prefer and want me to do. I'll do my very best to make it happen. That brings us to the end of today's video. Go find AUTOSOL Metal Polish or any other product from AUTOSOL at Schmiedmann.com right now for great results on your BMW MINI or BMW motorbike. Schmiedmann.com is the place to find whatever you need for your BMW and MINI. See you soon!